Whoever thought to put carrots in their granola? Well, that's what we're gonna do today. This is a carrot cake granola. I have 2 cups of oatmeal. Here's a cup of carrots, 2 cups of walnuts that I'm using, but you could use pecans if you wanted, and they're all chopped up. I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of authentic maple syrup and a 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil. We're gonna mix this all up, put it in the pan, put it at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. I'll come back and show you how it turns out. I neglected to tell you that I added the spices of cinnamon, nutmeg, and ginger before I baked it. I took it out, I let it completely cool, and now you can use raisins. I'm using cherries as a dried fruit. And then if you like coconut, we do, a 1/2 cup of coconut, mix it up, and you've got the most delicious granola. And this particular one tastes just like carrot cake.